Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your HSBC Bank account. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you won't miss any of our videos. So without any delay, let's get the video started. First thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL hsbc.com. Once you do that, you'll be headed to this website and click on the three bars at the top left of the page. Then hit online banking. And then you'll have to choose your location. So I'm gonna choose USA here. Then click on Go button. Once you do that, click on the login button. Once you do that, click on the login button at the top right of the page. And then you'll be required to enter your information that you used to log into your HSBC Bank account. So first thing you need to do is enter your username. So enter your username. Once you enter your username, click on continue in order to head to other process where you'll need to enter your password. But if you have forgotten your username, click on forgot username. Or if you do not have an account, click on not registered to create one. Once you hit continue, you'll then have to enter your password and your account will be logged into your HSBC Bank account. So there you have it. That's how you log into your HSBC Bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.